Everyone, come on quickly. Ping in the chat box. Fine, guys, everybody. Right. So in the last session, we did a couple of objects. So today also we'll try to do remaining objects. Maximum we'll try to complete these objects. Today is a more interest because today is we are going to history object, document object, location object. Yesterday somebody asked me location object. Locator, I thought locator is not there. Location is there. Location object. So these interested objects today we'll try to complete. So first, yesterday explained to you already length property. What length property is doing, my dears? Come on quickly. What length property is doing? What length property is doing? It is giving number of URLs in the history. Some browsers counting starts from 0. Some browsers counting start from 1. Okay. So that length property I'm going to show you. Observe correctly here. Document dot write. So what I'm providing here, number of URLs in the history. In the history. Yes, what I need to say here. Which object that one? History dot length. Observe now. What is the meaning of that? You can tell me. Backward you can observe, forward you can observe. Right now, how many URLs existed here? Only one. So backward history enabled or disabled? Disabled. Forward history enabled or disabled? Disabled. So backward also disabled, forward also disabled. Very good. Nice. We'll try to move on. We'll try to move on backward history and forward history. Now I'm going to write a function based on the backward history, based on the forward history. So I'm giving go back history. So I'm giving immediate is coming that window doesn't require actually writing because by default object is window only. So I'm giving here back. Right, and I'm taking another function here and go forward history. And I made here also window dot back, but here available window dot what available forward existed. Check it up to here. You are clear or not what I typed here. My members, are you following me? Right. So now I'm entering paragraph. Click the button to display backward URLs. Then I need to say here button on click is equal to, which one I need to say here? Go back I need to say here. Click back history. Right, I'm taking the same thing, guys, and I'm giving display forward history. Forward URLs and go for history means forward history. Go forward history. Okay. Go forward history. Hope you understood or not. You can try to check it. Go forward, go backward. Right, I'm going to execute my program here. Click on that. Is it working? Click on this. Is it working? No. Why these two buttons are not working? Is there any reason? Come on, is there any reason? So if you are going to observe here very clearly, if you are going to observe very clearly, this is disabled, this is also disabled. Are you observing? This is disabled, this is also disabled. Observe properly, everyone. Right, then what I need to do, copy this. If you click also, there is no use here. Now I'm going to open here Google. Now observe backward history, enabled or disabled? Enabled, observing. Now let me open this. Click on back, observe. Backward working, I think. Backward working or not working? Again, click on back. Now again here you can click on forward. Both buttons working or not working, you only tell me. Come on, Himanshu, I'll show you first buttons working or not, you can tell me. Now backward arrow and forward arrow is enabled or disabled. So when JavaScript is get executed, you also need to check it. When JavaScript get executed means when the particular, but that means of objects are enabled, that time only possible. Okay, you want to see the source code now? Okay, go ahead now, source code. Observe. Right, very good. So shall I move forward? I want to go to particular URL. Then if you want to go to particular URL, what you need to do? I think there is a go method. Yeah, observe here. The go method loads a specific URL from the history list. Positive number giving forward direction, negative number giving backward direction. Number URL required. The parameter can either be number, which go to the URL, the specified position. -1 go back to one page. 1 goes to forward one page. Super. Are you understanding this method? Am I any members are understanding this method? If I am giving -10, what will be open? If I provide -10, what will be open? Everything in front of you, Bharadwaj. Everything in front of you. Read. Sufficient time also I am giving. -10 displaying. Very good. Backward 10th URL. Backward 10th URL. 10 giving, forward 10th URL. Go method. History go method. Right, if I run this program, what you are expecting? If I run this program, what you are expecting? Come on, quickly, everyone. I think no need to write separately. You people understood that. Try that one. Now I'm going to location object. So history object level, we are working based on only browser history. Yesterday I said page having history, browser having history. Page having history, browser having history. Always browser having history. Try to understand. Page level history, nothing available. Page is one independent component, that's it. Location object, what location is doing? The location object contains information about the current URL. The location object is a part of the window object and access through window.location property. So we can access through window.location property. Location object properties. Property existed description. Hash returns the anchor portion of a URL. Host returns the host name and port of a URL. Host name returns the host name of a URL. href returns the entire URL. Check it once again. Location object. Location object contains information about the current URL. Yes, correct, Bardwash. Right. Plus no need to mention. Plus no need to mention. Only minus need to mention. Right. Location href properties. What giving? Okay, we'll try to check it. What href is giving. So we'll go back to, for example, here, remove it. Now I'm removing. Simple I said here. Document dot write a location dot href. That's it. What URL is coming, we come to know it first of all. Super. Correct or not? You only tell me href working or not. What is my location? You can check it. 127.0.0.5500 is a port number, webpage.html. Is it okay for you, everyone? Whatever href is working. Yes, working. You want to see the source code, you can check it. You want to see the source code, you can check it. Hope everybody understood. Shall I move forward to next level? href is clear. Reload and replace. Replace method is replacing the current URL, my dears. Replacing. So replacing the current URL means what? For example, I'm taking simply one function. I want to show you clearly what happened. Function level, I'm giving replace URL. So once you decided that, what do you need to write? Window.location, correctly observe. And what method we are using? Replace. Replace level, I'm using HTTP www dot, I'm replacing with naresheti.com. Okay. Then I'm entering into body level. I said paragraph, click the button to replace current URL with the new one. So I'm giving that. So whenever we are going to input type is equal to button. Input type is equal to button. Value is equal to replace URL. Then I'm giving on click is equal to what I need to write? Replace URL. Replace URL. Understand perfectly. So now I'm going to run the program. So current URL is this one. So this URL is replacing with that URL 127.0.0.1:55D00 is replacing with which URL? Come on, come on. nareshid.com. Replaced. Replaced or not, you only check it. Replaced or not, you only check it. Is it working fine now? Super. Perfectly working. Right, come down. Next, document object. So window inside document available, document inside window available. Which one is correct? Window inside document available, document inside window available. Which one is correct? Come on, come on. Window inside document available. Then which is object, which is class here? Which is object, which is class here? Very good. Window is the class, document is the object. Window is the class, document is the object. Correct. Window is the class, document is the object. Correct. Each HTML document loaded into a browser window becomes a document object. It has the following list of properties. What that one? Anchors, cookie, domain, forms, images, title. There are many attributes available. There are many attributes available. What are that one? Anchors, cookie, domain, forms, images, title, URL. There are many available. What is title property? Title property returns the title of the current document. Document.title. Hope you are understanding what title can do. Hope you are understanding what title can do. Okay, what you are getting also you can try to understand. Document.title. Clear? So document.title means what it is giving also will try to. Yes, title, whatever the title I'm providing. For example, here I'm giving just title is what here. For example, I'm providing title is Naresh I Technologies. I'm providing HYD. Okay, that is great. So I'm providing here. I want to know that one. So what that one I'm giving? Script I'm giving. Type I'm providing. And you said inside you are giving document dot write. Again, you are providing document dot title. Yes, it is a property, not method. So if you are giving title, observe now you only correctly working or not, tell me. Easy methods, easy attributes, very perfect objects, my dears. Today things are you are getting, I think, no boring because all the properties are working perfectly. Is it okay for you? What is the title existed here? The same title displayed. This title I want to display differently. Yes, you can. How nicely you are going to display? You can. For example, I want H1 like that. I want. So whenever you required H1 like that, you need to say these properties like this. Observing. All these properties are working perfectly. Anyway, I'll provide you the resources here. Getting how nicely we can apply also. Anything you can apply, no problem. You want to follow that style is equal to color red, for example, you want to follow. And you want to follow font family like Candera, you want to follow. Are you following this? Observe here how simply all these are. On the web page, how many images available can we count? On the web page, how many links available can we count? How many forms available can we count? This example clear. I'll move forward to that level examples. You want to see source code? Observe. Observe source code. Right. So I'm moving forward. Next level, what existed? Yeah, number of anchors can we count? Anchors means what? Links available. How many links available on the web page? Can we count that one? Easily we can count. How we are going to count? So I'm going to show you that number of anchors on the web page. Shall I? Right now I'm giving that body inside, whatever available. Observe here. Anchor. So anchor level generally what available? href. What available? https www dot nareshit.com. The name is equal to I'm giving NIT. So I'm giving Naresh IT. So I'm giving, for example, some URLs. NIT, NIT1, NIT2, this is .com, that is .in, that is .in, that is co.in, like this I'm providing. Okay. So here the first link, this is the second link, this is the third link. Okay, I think you understood. So now these many links are there. Now I'm giving here inside simple I'm opening here. What that one? I don't want anything here. I don't want anything. Even I don't want anything here. Simply script open. That script before I'm saying number of links on the web page is, yes, I said. So this paragraph I want to close in the script level. That's it. Then inside what I need to write, document dot anchors is there. Oh, anchors dot, there is a property length. Okay. Now once that is there and I'm going to run this, how many links available? You only check it now. Come on, how many links available? 3 links existed. 3 links existed or not, you only check it. Then you are going to here do something. Style is equal to color green, something. If you say, that is affecting. That is affecting. So now font family, you are giving Candera. So I hope you are understanding that one. Number of links on the web page. Get it the things clearly here. Are you understanding? For example, name I removed here. Name I removed here. Very danger, Rudra. I said, remember, in the JavaScript time, I'll show you name importance. Actually, how many URLs available here? How many links available here? 3 links. But how many it is showing? Because the name is not there, JavaScript is not working. Observe. Got the point, everyone? Remove the name and you can check it. So name always we are providing JavaScript purpose only. Come on, check the code and you can tell me your confirmation, understood or not, important. Check it, check it. If you click on that, then it shows error. Why it is showing error? Why it is showing, my dear, error? What is the reason? Ratnakumari. Reason of error? No, without name also okay. But without name, you need to remember only without name only I clicked. See, JavaScript purpose required. Counting purpose you want to go. Removing purpose. Particular URL you want to access. Particular link you want to access. That time compulsory. Come to reality, Ratnakumari. Logical points only you need to capture first. First one name. Okay, everyone. Excellent. Perfect. Right. Shall I move forward to next property? Yeah, I called twice or thrice. I need mobile, that one we need to pay. No, tomorrow I'll come to pay. Maybe today thought. Those people called me today, Narayana people. So I said, today I'll inform to them. Yeah, guys. Now I'm moving forward to next level. What is there? Some more thing here. I want to count images. Anybody, you can try it. Number of anchors, okay. Number of images, number of forms. See, can you do this one? I'll give some task to you. Number of images, number of forms on the web page. Can you do that? Come on, everyone. So document object level, there are many properties available. Right, you can try it. Forms, you can try it. Images, you can try it. First image level by using indexing. Okay. So, okay, I'll show you some more things because everything means for you. Okay, this script is okay. Shall I modify the script? Okay, right. Now I'm moving forward. Body inside whatever I display. I'm giving form. And I'm giving like this forms. There are forms available. So now, for example, paragraph level, you are giving number of forms on the web page. Number of forms on the web page. So forms dot length. Forms dot length. Now we can. So I'm going to web page. What it is giving? 3 forms giving. So is there any name attribute I used here? Check it once, no problem. Okay, now I'm giving name is equal to form 1, name is equal to form 2, name is equal to form 3. I said, now you can run it. Any changes? Any changes? No change. Now I'm giving another form. I said form 4. 4 forms came. Now I'm using here no existed. Observing, sometimes some attributes are perfectly get executed. So always name is not compulsory in some situations, but in some situations it is highly essential. But you remember, giving name is always strongly recommended in JavaScript. Giving name attribute is strongly recommended in JavaScript. Hope you are clear, everybody. Giving name attribute is strongly recommended in JavaScript. Shall I move forward? Shall I move forward? You want to observe this code? Okay, observe the code. No problem. Observing code is always good habit. Because code concentration is highly essential here. Okay, shall I move forward to next level? Right, I'm writing some more things. For example, here I'm taking one IMG. img source is equal to, I said, html5 dot png something. Okay, right, I'm giving here. So img is non-pay tag or non-pay tag? img is pay tag or non-pay tag? It is a non-pay tag, correct everybody? Right, I'm giving, for example, source given to you. I'm giving here weight is equal to, I said, 100 pixels. Height is equal to, I said, 100 pixels. Okay, that is okay. Now I'm not giving any name attribute. Observe here. 3 images I'm displaying. So now I'm calling number of images. Number of images on the web page. So images dot length. Images dot length. Is it okay for you now? Come on, everyone. Is it okay for you? Right. For example, I'm providing here ID is equal to first, I said. ID is equal to, I said, first. I want to access that ID. Then what I need to write here? Then you need to write first BR. Then what I need to write? Images. Then images level, I need to take it 0. First ID. Dot, I'm giving ID. What it is going to display, you can check it. What is the ID of that? What is the first image ID? Today, number of examples. Hope everybody are observing silently. How the coding classes are going on? Are you observing? Very good. Nicely going on. Complete coding classes. So here only, for example, you can take that and I'm giving here a document or write. There is a property available here. Is there or not? I don't know. Cookie. I don't know. Is coming or not. Oh, see your cookie address. Are you observing your cookie address? Every time it is changing. Every time. For example, you are going to save here. Updating. Once you close the page and new one will be generated. Every session, one cookie available. Here only, for example, I'm not sure that another one a long back I tried. There is a property like URL something available. Available or not, let me check it. Complete URL will be displayed. Are you following me? Come on. Same like that. There is another property like what that one? Title. How these document properties are working, my dears? How these document properties are working? Perfectly working. All the properties perfectly working. Come on, any property doubt, any object doubt, you can question me. Any property or any object doubt, you can question me. No questions. Observe the script. Some people are asking me code. Don't confuse by seeing the code. Observe code, everybody. Shall I move forward to another level? Oh my God, number of examples today I'm providing to you. Today, number of examples. JS objects. Okay. So what more available here? We can try to observe. How many types of tags existed here? Generally, how many types of tags existed? Privately typing, publicly not working our chart window. Publicly can type, not privately. Come on. How many types of tags existed? Two types of tags. What are the two types of tags here? Paid tags, non-paid tags. Very good. Paid means what? Non-paid means what? What is the meaning of paid tag? What is the meaning of non-paid tag? Paid means there is a opening, there is a closing. Non-paid means only opening, there is no closing. Come on everyone quickly. Come on everyone quickly. Paid available, non-paid available. Excellent. Paid level differently working, non-paid level differently working. Beautiful. Right. So every paid tag having inner HTML property. Some of you people asked me, do you know inner HTML what, sir? Value what you are writing? We didn't understand actual inner HTML property. Some people asked me. Today I'm going to provide you a big clarity about inner HTML property. A paid tag having inner HTML property. A non-paid having value property. All paid tags we are calling as container tags. All paid tags we are calling as container tags. Hope you are remembering that. All paid tags we are calling as container tags. Elements can hold other HTML elements or controls. Example, div tag, paragraph, table, span, all these we did. Non-container elements can hold only text, cannot hold other HTML controls or elements. Example, text box, button, radio, text area, all these are comes under. All these are comes under. So example, text box, button, radio, text, all these are available. Okay. Right. So text box, button, radio button, text area, all these are paid tags or non-paid tags? You can observe clearly. All these are paid or non-paid? All these are non-paid. No, text area is paid, I think. I think you are false. Text area is paid, I think. Correctly, you can try to think. If you are practicing really forms perfectly, text area is not a non-paid. Text area is a paid tag. No, button is a paid available, non-paid available button. Button both available. But text area 100% paid only. Text area 100% paid only. Right. So all these we are going to be. So now actually paid, non-paid, whenever we are going to call here, one point you people need to understand. All paid tags are not container tags, but all container tags are paid tags. All paid tags or container tags or no, sorry, all container tags are paid tags, but all paid tags are not container tags. Check it once. I wrote one note point also here. Check it once. Come on quickly. Clear inner HTML property is clear for you. Inner HTML property is clear for you. Document.get element by ID inner HTML. Okay. Bharadwaj, what you mailed? No, I didn't see. Once again, you can put here. Okay. All paid tags. Note point also clear. So now I'm showing some information. You can try to get it correctly. Carefully, you can observe remaining members what I'm writing. Okay. Body level, whatever the things available, kick it out. Head level script is there. Okay. Beautiful script. And I'm giving val is equal to document dot get element by ID. I said, for example, okay, something I given dot value property. Value property. Simple. I made, for example, one function myfun I provided. I'm giving, for example, here and correct it is working and alert. I displayed value is and I'm giving val. Up to there clear or not, you only check it function. Sir, can also write anywhere you can write, my dear. In the starting only I said that when the beginning of JavaScript classes, please you can try to see my notes also. A long back already I said that word. Right, very good. So now I'm giving here. I said, for example, form. Form inside you are providing the resources. Label. Username. And you are giving input type is equal to text. And value is equal to I'm giving click. Value is equal to click, I said. On click is equal to, what should I say? What should I say? My fun. Right. Okay. So hope you understood or not. You can check it. Everyone, you can check it. So whenever you are giving value, I'm providing here. Naresh, IT I'm providing. So then input type is equal to text I provided. Input type is text I provided. Name. Sorry. Input type is equal to I'm providing here button. ID is equal to. Is it okay, everyone? Click on that. Value is hello is not coming. Come on, ID is equal to K1 input. Value is equal to, oh my God. Here value is equal to, click. Value must be val. Concatenation, I think. Okay. What is the text box? Paid tag or non-paid tag? Come on. What is the text box? Paid or non-paid? Only one word. Non-paid having value property, inner HTML property. Non-paid having value property, inner HTML property. Non-paid having value property. So value properties, non-paid. Yes, perfectly working, my dear. Whatever you are giving, perfectly working. If I'm providing an HTML property, is it going to work or not? An HTML property working or not working? Come on, everyone, quickly. Right, save it, click it. Working or not working? An HTML property not working, Ratna Kumari. Because an HTML property where available, value property where available. Come on, recognize that simply. Where value property available, where an HTML property available. Come on. Clear? You want to see the code, observe the code peacefully. Come on, guys. Come on, everyone. Understood, everyone? Where HTML property working, where value property working. Am I clear for you now? Come on, where value property, where HTML property. Can you type in the, can you ping in the chat box? Where is value, where is HTML? Come on, quickly. Inner HTML only paid tag level means container tag level. Okay, undermining, somebody disturbing session. Godavari, Shashank, somebody disturbing the session. Shall I remove from the class? Right. Shall we go to some more examples on this one? Right. Okay. Non-paid having values and paid tags having that one. So container tags level, one example I shown to you. So shall I go to new topic? JavaScript HTML DOM concept, document object model. Yeah, today is more I covered. That is true. But all examples understandable and simplified manner we did. See how many number of examples today we did. Uploading that. JS more objects. Thank you guys. Any more questions? Please ping here. Please practice. Please practice everyone. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.